Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
Hi, welcome to another episode of News from the World of MBA. In today's episode, we'll discuss what the current scenario of placements is at the IIMs, the impact of the pandemic on Indian students wanting to study abroad, and some pretty good news about India's job market and hiring trends. Let's dive in. In a previous episode, we reported that the summer placements process at the IIMs will be deferred by about a month on average. The IIMs have now initiated the preparation process for summer placements and have begun to invite companies for recruitment. It is being reported that the response from recruiters has been largely encouraging. We reported in the previous episode that according to a report by the Association of MBAs, recruiters across the world are actually going to hire a lot lesser number of MBAs in 2020 as compared to 2019. And come December, placement figures at the IIMs will reveal what the MBA hiring market truly looks like, at least in India. The summer placements process is expected to be virtual across the IIMs, with companies hiring interns via interview processes conducted digitally. In fact, many also expect the summer internships themselves to be conducted virtually in 2021, as was the case in 2020. The pandemic has seriously affected Indian students' plans to study abroad. According to a survey conducted by QS of over 11,000 Indian students planning to study abroad, 61% of Indian students are considering deferring their plans to study abroad by a year. And about 7% of them have plans to completely let go of any plans of studying abroad whatsoever. Now, the main reason why students are planning to defer admissions is because many universities have shifted their programs online temporarily due to the pandemic, and students are not keen on studying online. About 82% of those who were surveyed said that if they were to study online, they expected universities to reduce the fees of the program. According to a recent report by the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, or CMIE, 18.9 million salaried Indians have lost their jobs during the lockdown, of which 5 million have lost their jobs in July alone. As a result, now there is more supply of labor than actual job openings available. According to LinkedIn, the number of job seekers on the platform has doubled in 6 months, with the average number of applications per job going from 90 in January to 180 in June. This shows the desperation that many job seekers are facing, either due to being laid off or suffering massive pay cuts and other issues. But there's a silver lining here. According to LinkedIn, between April and June, the hiring activity on the platform has increased by 35%. This is after the report that there has been a 5% month-on-month increase in the hiring activity on Naukri. LinkedIn has also said that the top 5 jobs in demand today were that of software engineers, business development managers, sales managers, business analysts, and content writers. So we know now that the hiring activity in India is picking up slowly but surely. Job seekers are flocking to job portals in large numbers to find job opportunities. Now, Google has also entered the recruitment market by launching in India the mobile app called Kormo Jobs. This app, which was originally piloted in Bangladesh, will allow users to identify entry-level jobs, learn new skills, and also create CVs. Ever since the app was launched, companies like Zomato and Dunzo have posted jobs on Kormo, and so far about 2 million listings have been posted on the app. So if you're looking for a job, you can access this mobile app through Google Play, or you can access it through the official app on Play Store. This past week has been slightly motivating for the average Indian job seeker. Hiring activity for white-collar jobs has seen an increase after all. Now here's some more good news. Axis Bank is now looking to hire up to 1,000 employees who can join the bank and work remotely. According to the executive director at Axis Bank, the bank will look for 800 to 1,000 good talent in India over the next 1 year and will offer full-time remote working job offers as well as project-specific jobs. In fact, just after 3-4 days of launching this initiative called Giga Opportunities, the bank has received over 3,000 CVs from all over India. That's all for today. I'll see you very soon with more news from the world of MBA and business.
Hi guys, Inside IM has come up with an exciting new one-on-one mentorship product where you get to interact with superstar managers from different businesses, different functions. You can ask them everything around your career, your education, your future success. If you are interested, the link is in the description below. Thanks.